Welcome back to another interesting must-know PC tips, and in this tutorial I will show you on how to simply identify your computer or laptop version date. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are brand new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Alright, so the very first thing you want to do on your Windows PC, press Windows plus R, and this is going to pop up. Right here, what you need to do is to simply type in msinfo32 and hit on OK. And in a few seconds, this information here is going to pop up. Now, for you to know the version date of your PC, you have it right here under BIOS version/date, /date. Then the name of the PC is going to be right here. So this PC here is HP, and the version date here is 26th of March 2015. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to know the version date of your computer or your laptop. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tips like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.